forgot something.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hey, we're here.
We can't zoom in, sorry. Manual zoom in.
We're here. Ikea.
Ikea trip. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. So we got our IKEA meal. Some of the stuff was out of stock. Kind of wanted to try the salmon balls. We got Swedish meatballs, mashed potatoes, and French fries in the creamy sauce. And then I also got a sparkling raspberry water, and she got
lingonberry.
lingonberry. I don't know if I like mine. Switch?
I've definitely had it before.
Oh, that was good. Oh, it's a little sour though.
I like them both.
Mine's okay. I think I'm just more of a strawberry type person. But
I
yeah.
like raspberry.
We always sit at this stretch of table and we like to people watch.
This is our view. This is what we see. And it looks so pretty.
These carts are always so hard to move. He's slipping. How dare you? What is a better way to do it? There's no better way to do this.
I'm like in Wonderland right now, dude. That's let's not say anything about that. Look at these. These are so cute. So basically what had happened, you guys, is that this plant, the one I was showing y'all yesterday that was yellow, I actually still haven't fixed. Stop getting distracted.
What were you saying about your plant? What were you saying about your plant?
Oh yeah, I haven't fixed it yet. I haven't taken out of its pot and then put it in the new one. So now we're looking at other plants. Don't know if we'll buy one or if I will buy one, but there's a nice competitor right there. So I don't know. I don't know. Like, those are so cute. They're like those bamboos, but they're still growing. So yeah. So this is our Ikea. Not that much, but at least we got something. Look, you can see them so much better. Over there and over there. Guys, look at how cute it is. That is so cute. It like stretches so far too. Wow.
Where's that entrance?
I have no idea. Here you go.
Is it a ghost? I told you. Oh my god, it's
This is so cute.
You did so good.
I tried to put my signature on, but I just looked like a blob because the pen was too like skinny. It was getting caught on all the bumps.
It looks so good. Oh my
Thank you.
And it's blue. I don't know if you guys know this, but I requested blue. Oh my gosh. We'll dance in real life.
Okay, bye.